IB Masters Learning Center at ibmasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 2, Section 1, Number 4, which reads, the references to shade and darkness at the end of the first paragraph mainly have which effect? So read the last sentence of the first paragraph, and it says, but this was not all. What he was saying before is how much he hates his job and what he should have done. But this was not all. The antipathy, what's antipathy mean? Well, PATH means to feel. So we've got apathy, lack of feeling, just like anarchy is lack of government or order, and atypical is not typical. Apathy is lack of feeling. Sympathy is shared feeling. Empathy is similar. Anyway, so antipathy, it's like a strong feeling against or like a hatred. So, but this was not all. The antipathy which had sprung up between myself and my employer, striking deeper root and spreading denser shade daily, excluded me from every glimpse of the sunshine of life. And I began to feel like a plant growing in humid darkness out of the slimy walls of a well. So it doesn't sound like a pretty picture. We're going to work bottom up. Answer choice D. They reveal the narrator's longing for rest. So we don't see anything in the paragraph or in the sentence about exhaustion. It's not going to be D. Answer choice C. They capture the narrator's fear of confinement. Now you got to watch out for that answer choice. A lot of times students will choose that. Literally, if he was at the bottom of a well, you could imagine he'd be feeling a little claustrophobic, like he'd want to get out of there. He feels like he's confined, but he's not literally at the bottom of a well. It's a metaphor for how he's feeling with his job, his overbearing boss. Answer is B. They reflect the narrator's sinister thoughts. So what sinister means? Sinister means evil. So if they're the narrator's evil thoughts, then he would be like, I'm going to kill my boss, or I'm going to severely injure my boss, or something like that. We don't get any malicious intent, no intent to harm here. Sinister is not going to be the correct answer. It's going to be A. They evoke, which means to draw out the narrator's sense of dismay. What's dismay? Dismay is like alarm coupled with discouragement. And that is basically would convey his feelings. How is he feeling? Like he's feeling like there's no sunshine in his life. And then again it says, I feel like a plant growing in humid darkness out of slimy walls of a well. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with these types of questions. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.